my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so and becoming one of my little doll babies, okay? If you have already subscribed, thank you so much for supporting me. And you know I love you. Thank you so much. Today is a collaboration with the Wig Company. I have collabed with the Wig Company many times. They're a fabulous company. I love collabing with them. It's very, very fun. Okay, so today I have this little cutie here. I will include all the clips on how I got her together looking like this, which really wasn't much, but let's talk about her. This is part of their signature line. This is their timeless collection. This is their timeless collection. Why can't I say collection? And this is Miss Promise, and I have her in the color K337H and in the cap size average. And it comes in that little box. Yeah, here's the information on that. There's no combs in this wig. It is very, very comfortable. There are adjustable straps, but they are Velcro. I really think this wig is cute. It's very comfortable. It was easy to get together. I feel like it's kind of versatile. Like you could sort of like clip it back. I pulled the bangs over a little bit like this just to like tousle it up a little bit. But that's just like my preference. I think it's legit storming right now. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, that's so cute. I love how it's hugging. Oh, that is so adorable. I have not gotten like a red from them at all yet, so I'm so glad that I got this one. I like just like to toss it up a little bit so it doesn't look like so perfect, and then that makes it look a bit more natural because most of our hair isn't like perfect. I like how it's like flipping up right there. That's so, so cute. Yeah, this one, I'm into this one. I am very, 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 very much into this one. I'm loving this color. I'd like to get maybe like a long wig in this color, but yeah, so far so good. This is a full cap wig and it's very, very comfortable. So if you are having any sensitive scalp issues, if you're going through any type of treatments where you need something that's going to be comfortable and not hurt you, this is definitely a contender. So I am really loving this wig. So yeah, thank you so much for the Wig Company for collabing with me. I have a bunch more that they sent, so you're going to see a bunch more of these. I have a whole Wig Company playlist, so go ahead and check those out. And yeah, that's what I have for you. If you have this wig or you have any thoughts on this wig, please put that down below. If there's another Wig Company wig you would like me to review, also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Yeah. Bye.